What's up, guys? This is the Wood new video, and on today's video, gonna be looking at gold XAUUSD. All right, so guys, you know how everything goes, man. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, guys. Man, I'd really like to have you on this channel, and thank you so much for 200 plus subscribers. All right, so let's get into it. We always do what we always do, guys. Go to the highest time frame to have the full picture of what the market's been doing. So with gold lately, guys, I don't know, like, really, man, if because like we're all aware that the market has been declining for like since, and for gold, yeah, it's been ranging since 2020 up until now. Like, it's been going sideways, because that's what the whole concept of a ranging structure is about. All right, so since March this year, it's been declining. Right, March this year, it's been going with this downtrend after an uptrend. So yeah, because it's been ranging, right? So creating those trends inside a ranging structure, that's what it's about. All right, so now overall structure, if you look at it, there's a chance maybe it might come up until here at the bottom. There's a very high chance, right? Because remember us, the no-brainer strategies, what we do, we break it in half, right? We break it in half. Okay, so for this week, it's all about the no-brainer strategy, guys. If you don't know how it goes, go check out our previous videos. All right, so we break it in half. That's all we do. Okay, so this possibly where it began, and it's gotta end exactly where it began, because that's the nature of the no-brainer strategy. So somewhere here and end up being here. That's all the no-brainer strategy it's about. All right, so something like this might happen, guys. All right, so we might be having something like these, obviously I won't be accurate enough, but there's a very high chance that something like this might happen. All right, because this is where gold began, this whole structure began according to the no-brainer strategy. All right, because just look at it. No, it's possibly an M structure. All right, so meaning it has to come there, an M structure with a bit of a W inside. All right, like possibly, I'm not saying how it's gonna go down, but there's a possible movement of what gold might give us for this coming few weeks. All right, so now let's go for more precise, to be more precise. All right, so just yeah, so that was just a simple overview, guys. So now let's just go deeper into details and see what gold really gives us for this coming week, which is like from the 25th of July to 29th. All right. Alright, we had this decline, and here just look at the opening and closing. We're above trend, so meaning we will go up from when the market like we will have this upwards movement where like the market will at least come here, and then because it is gold, right? So maybe something like this, right? Because it is gold after all. And remember, in both this whole level, and which is this level, it's an upper level, like from here up there, like going up, it's an upper level of the whole structure. This going down, it's like a below level. All right, so we're still at a below level, so meaning we are likely to go down, continue with a decline, but because of the closing. All right, the closing is very important. Look at those candlesticks. All right, so we're likely to go touch this level. So let's just go to 15 minutes and see what's really popping. So yeah, I think that like that's just how it's gonna happen. Because if you could look clearly here, guys, like if you could look clearly at this whole thing, like this part, it's almost similar to this one. Like, do you get where I'm going about this? Like, just look at those structures. Don't you see some similarity in them? To me, like, I can see that similarity. So, there's a chance that it might go down, okay? Like, there's a really high chance that the market might come here. A really high chance. But look at these structures, guys. Look at these structures. They are alike. And then that's how they know brainer it's all about. We had a downwards movement, so we are likely, I'm not saying accurately, alright, so we are likely to just go up, man, like to go up. So taking this whole movement and going there, likely. Okay, so this might happen to gold for this coming week, guys. Like it's a no-brainer. This and this are alike. Alright, so it's likely to happen, because if you look at this structure, it does look like a Dow bottom structure. Alright, if you know like it to that extent. Alright, so this is likely to happen to gold for this coming week, guys. But let me not confuse them. Alright, so for gold, man, I don't advise to be traded as hard for this coming week. Just observe it and note down everything. Just observe it. But we will go touch this level once again. 1753.810. We will go back and touch it. Like we just will touch it. Alright. And then maybe, because it's gold after all. Remember, it is gold. Alright, so yeah, for gold, just observe, guys. Okay, observe and see like what's popping, because we're still at the below level. All right, so at this level we're just gonna be selling, man. Just gonna be selling, even if we do go up. But we are dominant more on sellers. Sellers are more dominant at this level. Okay, so if we could enter the zone, like we'll be confident enough that the market is likely to just go up and gold, we'll be safe, man. And then people will have more faith in gold, like they used to in the olden days, because people have lost faith in gold. Like they say, Bitcoin has replaced gold. So like that's what people say, man. Like, so I can't go against that. All right. Yeah, so guys, we're just gonna leave it there with gold, like for this week, man. So for gold this coming week, just observe the market. Don't interact so much, you might get banned. So if you really enjoyed the video, guys, and I really did you learn a thing, just gonna leave it here, guys, and then like and subscribe if you're new, and then go check out our previous videos and our new videos as well, our recent videos as well. So peace, guys.